How to defeat the coronavirus mushroom. Educational video. Made by Skin Academy. Instructions for homemade vaccine and the theory behind it. Share to friends and family to defeat the coronavirus mushroom and stop it from spreading. Basic principles. Because the coronavirus is a mushroom, it can only be killed with another mushroom. Because the coronavirus is a complex mushroom, we need many different mushrooms to kill it. The ingredients for the vaccine. Here are the ingredients. 1 tofu mushroom. 1 kombucha mushroom. 2 goomba mushrooms. 5 liters of coffee. All of these you can find in your backyard, except for the coffee, for which we have a separate video called How to Build a Coffee Farm. How to make the vaccine in your own kitchen. First step, make the coffee and put it in a 10-liter bucket. Second step, add the goomba mushrooms when the coffee is still hot. Third step, add the kombucha and tofu mushrooms when the coffee has cooled down. Fourth step, mix the vaccine with a 7-speed hand mixer colored in red. Fifth step, put the vaccine in a syringe and inject it into your body. How it works. The formula of the dangerous mushroom is SARS-CoV-2. The formula of the tofu, kombucha and goomba mushrooms together is CoV-2. When we mix these mushrooms together, we get rid of the SARS-CoV-2. Instead we get SARS,